There's this website that will help you to make cool cash just by posting on WhatsApp. Yes, just by posting on WhatsApp, as well as liking and commenting on other people's social media posts, and also subscribing to your YouTube channel. This site is really paying. Yes, it is really paying. This is free. You create an account and it is free. You create a free account and you start earning on that. But before you get access to a lot of tasks to perform, unless you subscribe to a plan, and with a plan that is 25 cedis, and if you subscribe to the 25 cedis plan, you are going to get a lot of tasks. And also with this website, it helps you to create your own e-commerce website whereby you just sell your product to people and also get commissions for that, if and only if you become an affiliate on that. Okay, so with this website, if you really want to subscribe to a plan, let's see how it goes. Click the first link at the video description to download the app, and you create an account and use my referral code, that is the TalkTech, to create an account. And you can see when you open the app and go to the task section, you see a lot of tasks there. Okay, so there are numerous tasks that you need to perform. You can perform all these tasks, and also before you'll be able to get more tasks, unless you subscribe to a plan, and the plan amount is 25 cedis. Okay, if you subscribe to a plan, you are going to get unlimited tasks, be an affiliate, and also remove all ads. So you can see make payment, you click on that. Then here you have two options, that is 25 cedis per month plan and 100 cedis per 6 month plan. So the one that you want, then you select. I prefer the 25 cedis per month, and I choose that. I select that. Then you can see I have to proceed to pay an amount of 25 cedis to buy the plan so as to get unlimited tasks. Okay, so here then you select the payment gateway that you want, and with the payment gateway we have the Paystack, the Hoptel, and that of the Fruitwave. Then you select the one that you want. Then you see you have to pay the same amount on any of these payment gateway. Then I select the Hoptel. Then here I just select the account that I want to pay with the 25 cedis. So here I have the mobile money, the bank account, and the bank card. So obviously I'll select the mobile money. Then I select the network provider, that is MTN. Then from there I input my mobile money number so as to buy the plan, which is 25 cedis. Then I proceed to the pay. Okay, so when you proceed to the pay, then you verify you are human by checking on the verify you are human button there. Then also you have to just click on the pay to proceed, and they will send you a payment OTP, that is 4-digit. Then you input it there. Then also they will send you an authorization message from the network provider that you use, either MTN Mobile Money, Airtel to Go, or Vodafone Cash. Then you input your PIN so as to buy the plan. If you really like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Here is the Talk Tech, that is the talk of the tech.